Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off all tools and pop-ups in Adobe Reader. If you're distracted by panels and prompts every time you open a PDF, this quick setup will help streamline your workspace so documents open cleaner and stay the way you prefer. Begin by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top left corner for the main application menu. Depending on your version and operating system, this may be the word menu, a three-line icon, or you might find what you need under Edit on Windows or under the application name on macOS. Click to open that menu, then choose Preferences. If you're on Windows, Edit, then Preferences is the typical path. On macOS, look for Preferences under the application name. This opens a window where you can fine-tune how Reader behaves. In the Preferences window, select the document category in the left sidebar. Here, find the option labeled Restore Last View Settings when reopening documents and turn it on. This setting makes Acrobat remember how you left each PDF, things like which tool panes were expanded or hidden, your zoom level, and your page position. Enabling it reduces the chance that tool panels and pop-ups will reappear every time you come back to a file, keeping your layout consistent and uncluttered. Click OK to save. In some versions, this closes the Preferences window. In others, it simply confirms your change. Next, go to the General section in Preferences. If your Preferences window closed after the last confirmation, reopen it the same way so you can switch to General. Once there, look for Do Not Show Edit Warnings and enable it. This helps suppress the extra prompts that appear when you initiate certain tools or editing actions, cutting down on interruptions and tip-style messages that can pop up as you work. It won't disable necessary security or permission dialogues, but it will quiet the non-essential nudges that get in the way. Click OK again to confirm your settings. That's it. Your reader should now feel more focused, with fewer panels opening on their own and fewer pop-ups interrupting your flow. These changes apply to your user profile, and you can revisit preferences anytime to adjust them. Keep in mind that interface labels can vary slightly between updates, so if a name looks a bit different, choose the closest match. Also, security-related prompts or permission warnings may still appear when required, which is normal and helps protect your documents. Enjoy a cleaner, calmer reading experience in Adobe Acrobat Reader, with tools and pop-ups kept to a minimum so you can focus on the content.